Which bees are found at Weaver Lake? Importance of bees. All bees are important for pollinating because they supply more than 1/3 of our food, and without them we have less food. Other pollinators. Some other pollinators are bats, hoverflies, butterflies, and hummingbirds.
Bee field trip. We went on a field trip to the Eastman Nature Center. We learned that female honeybees are workers and they pollinate. The boys are drones and they hang out and find mates for the queen. The queen gives birth to larvae.
Native bees. Honeybees aren't native. Here are some kinds of native bees and reasons why they're important. Native bees are 3 times better pollinators, and there are more of them than we thought. Here are some other native bees: digger bee, slip bee, and bumblebee. Our investigation. Procedure. First, we trapped the bees by going up to them slowly and trapping them in a container when they flew up. Next, we froze them. Then we pinned the bees. Last, we determined what kind of bee it was.
Results. There are the most bumblebees in our class than other bees. These are the bees that we caught. There are more bumblebees than other bees in our whole grade, too. Threats to bees. When you spray pesticides on weeds or flowers, bees die when they pollinate those crops. Bees give us 40% of our food, so please don't spray pesticides. Some GMO pesticides called neonics can kill honeybees by infecting their brains with toxins. People think that half of the bee population was wiped out by GMOs combined with a certain chemical. The destructor mite lands on bees and sucks the bee's blood. It also circulates viruses, killing the bee.
Advocacy. Here's what you can do. You can turn roadsides into gardens and grow cover crops. You can also plant native flowers like the New England aster and the Lindley aster. Credit. Made by Alexandria W.
And Lauren R. Thank you to Miss Montero,
Mrs. Wilson-Vasquez, and Mrs. Jetton.
Here are some other credits.